Hello, welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake and this is Rachel, and welcome back. Sorry we haven't been making so many videos, but we got a good one for you today. Stay tuned. First, I want to say happy birthday to my beautiful little sister, Cassandra Williams. Happy birthday. We love you.
Love you.
Thank you. Okay. Well, today, what do we got going on?
We're on our third and even fourth pop-up camper. We've actually never named any of them. And I know some people do that like right away. All their campers, everything gets a name. I've heard a lot of people use the name Poppy, Peggy the pop-up. Anyway, so we want to hear from you guys. Do you name your pop-up camper?
Let us know.
What did you name your pop-up camper? I was actually thinking that
Do tell.
Yes, let us know. And feel free to let us know what adventures you're going on too. I was actually thinking that our vintage camper that I need to finish making over should maybe be called Marty McFly, because it's a 1985, and
Yes.
I hope you know that 1985 is Back to the Future.
Classic Back to the Future.
It's
yes.
classic.
Let's just make it official. Our remodel is called Marty McFly.
Marty McFly.
Marty McFly.
And if it gives you any trouble, we can go, McFly!
We're in central Illinois in case you know anyone that might want it.
Right. Yes, do stay tuned. I do plan to finish that. It is hot outside, and if you are on our other channel, which is called Goshen Hideaway, you will know that we're in the middle of a huge pallet chicken coop build. So we've got our hands full. And so stay tuned. Thanks everybody for the support. I hope you all are having a great summer. Happy camping.
Smash the like buttons. Tell us where you're going on your camping adventures. We want to know because we might want to go there. Definitely. Thank you for watching. Let us know, did you name your camper and what is your name? Thank you.
Or what would you?
Or what would you?
If you were going to.
What's a possible name? So we've named our old one. We'll have to think of a name for a new one. When we come up with that,
Big
we'll let
Betty.
you know.
We'll let you know.
Marty McFly for the old remodel. We're out.